If you've experienced your car shaking when braking at high speeds, it's important to address the issue promptly to ensure your safety on the road. Several potential causes could be behind this problem. Let's explore some common reasons why your car might shake during high-speed braking. 1. Warped brake rotors. Brake rotors can become warped over time due to heat buildup or uneven cooling. When you apply the brakes, these warped rotors cause the brake pads to apply uneven pressure, resulting in shaking or vibration. This sensation is often felt through the steering wheel. 2. Worn brake pads. Uneven wear or uneven distribution of friction material on your brake pads can lead to shaking during braking. As the brake pads make contact with the rotors, the uneven surfaces can create vibrations that are transmitted to the vehicle. 3. Suspension problems. Issues with your car's suspension can also contribute to shaking during braking. Worn out or damaged suspension components can affect the stability of the wheels, leading to vibrations when you apply the brakes. 4. Tire issues. Unevenly worn or imbalanced tires can be another culprit. Tires with flat spots or irregular wear patterns can create vibrations when braking, causing the car to shake. 5. Wheel alignment problems. Improper wheel alignment is yet another potential cause. When the wheels are not aligned correctly, it can result in uneven braking forces, leading to vibrations and shaking. To diagnose the specific cause of the shaking, it is crucial to have your car inspected by a qualified mechanic. A professional mechanic can thoroughly inspect your brakes, suspension, tires, and alignment. They will identify the underlying problem and recommend the necessary repairs or adjustments. Remember, addressing the shaking issue promptly ensures your safety and helps maintain your vehicle's optimal performance.